August 2nd.
Okay, I'm going to get the correspondence, and as I say, easier to see it in black and white. All right. The situation that we're in is Mr. Ippolito refuses to answer a very simple question regarding employment, which is, of course, fundamental to the question of indigency. I did not follow all of his reasons, but the simple fact is he will not cooperate with that process. This follows on the heel of yesterday's proceedings, where it wound up with him cursing the court. So I will likely issue a ruling on the indigency claim, and I'll just have to draw appropriate inferences from Mr. Ippolito's statements, such as they are. I will offer him another opportunity to answer the question at a hearing on Friday, but I think it's inappropriate that he refuses to answer a question that is clearly fundamental to the question before the court, that of indigency. So I will remand Mr. Ippolito to custody. I will review the matter again on Friday, give him another opportunity to answer the question. Mr. Zahn, unless you hear otherwise from me, I'm going to require your appearance here Friday afternoon.
Well, let me ask you a question, Your Honor. My understanding is that you're going to finish your ruling on the underlying substantive matter on Friday. Is that right?
I'm hoping to do substantial work on that. I don't think a final judgment will be rendered until the following week, but you are correct. When that happens, I think it is more likely than not you will be discharged from representation. But in light of the questions that have been raised and the conduct I'm dealing with, I'll need you to be here on Friday afternoon.
I understand that, Your Honor, but I will repeat what I said in my letter yesterday, that I substantively won't have much to add because I've not been in communication with Mr. Ippolito.
Well, Mr. Ippolito has been a fugitive since July 13th, so I'm not surprised you haven't had much communication with him. I'm hearing that you've been acting on his behalf in connection with funds being blocked from payment of support, but we'll take a look at that. In any event, we'll convene on Friday. Thank you.
I'm going to comment on that if I might.
No, we're going to reconvene when everybody is here on Friday. Thank you.
I need orders, Your Honor.
Okay, we're finished for today.
We're finished because you want to be finished and you want to complete the process. I have a right to be heard under the judicial conduct. There's blue lights on, please get your hands off me. Please get your hands off me. I have a right to defend myself. Your Honor,
Come on.
Let's
Let's
go.
I'll drag you out.
he didn't say it.
Has
Walk with
refused.
us. Walk.
Calm down, Don.
Walk.
Walk. I have a right to be heard. It's my constitutional right to be heard. And I want to be put on the record. The light is on. I
Let's
have
go. Get
a
up.
right to be heard.
Hal,
Walk with us.
don't resist, Hal.
Walk with us.
Ow! You broke my friggin' arm!
Let's go.
For the record, Mr. Ippolito has been acting out each time he's been to court the last several days. Okay. For the record, Mr. Ippolito has been acting out when he's been to court for the past several days. I will note back in 2013, Judge Hubner had asked that he have a psychiatric evaluation, which Mr. Ippolito resisted. It does appear he's having some difficulties. In any event, he has declined to answer even the most basic question regarding his ability to pay or his claim of indigence. I will have to figure out how to proceed on that basis, but perhaps he will be willing to answer the question at a future proceeding. Let me just this hearing is part of a 4-year-long matrimonial battle that, of course, has a context, an understanding of the context of today's proceeding would be aided by a review of orders dated November 13th, 2013, October 27th, 2015, November the 20th, 2015, December the 23rd, 2015, January the 21st, 2016, February the 17th, 2016, February the 22nd, 2016. As continues to occur, Mr. Ippolito refuses to provide discovery regarding what has been identified as millions of dollars worth of assets. He also refuses under the Fifth Amendment to answer questions regarding taking money that is protected by prior court order. And today refused to answer a question regarding employment. We will, again, as I indicated, take up the matters on Friday at 1:30, and I'll ask counsel to forward me that if it's too much to fax over, perhaps somebody could copy it and bring it over. Very good, thank you.